Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassandra. So a few videos back, I did a Dollar Tree haul. This time, I'm going to a different dollar store, which happens to be Dollarama. Dollarama is the most popular dollar store in all of Canada, so I knew for sure I was going to find some good nail finds. So let's get started. So as I mentioned before, I do live in the GTA, which is the Greater Toronto area. I live in Scarborough, and there are quite a few Dollaramas around here. Different locations, different items. I happened to find this 7-sided nail file, and I thought it was pretty interesting because there are actually 7 different sides to it for like the polish and shine, like a grittier part. Pretty interesting actually, I was surprised. So if you look closely, you'll be able to see the grit and the polish sides, so this should come in pretty handy. Alright, so here I have another. This one's the emery boards and it comes in a pack of 36. It was $1.25 for it with 4 different sizes. So on the packaging it says that there's 36, but when I counted them, there was 12 of the large, 8 of the green ones, 9 of the small little magenta ones, and then there was 8 purple. So I did get 1 extra, so that's always a bonus. These are thin, but honestly they are very coarse. I actually like these, they're pretty good. I would personally use this on my natural nail versus the nail acrylic or gel, just because it is thinner, but honestly, it doesn't hurt to try. So I found this glitter and sequins pack from the craft section, and I thought it was so cute. So it's a pack of 24, 12 different colors of glitter, and also the sequins. So they're actually really cute because if you do like the encapsulated nail look, this would be perfect for it. And with getting a closer look of the glitters, you can see how fine it is, so it's perfect for the raw glitter look if that's what you want to go for. But nonetheless, honestly, these are actually really cute, and I also bought a little container to put these in, so I'm going to show you that next. So this pack cost me $2, so it's not too bad, and I do get a lot of variety, so I like it. So I found these Caviar Beads, which were $1.25, and it comes in a pack of 6. I've purchased these before, but not these colors. These are so pretty. I love them. So there are many different ways to use the Caviar Beads. Personally, I like encapsulating them or putting them directly on the nail. They just look really good. And luckily it's a pack of 6, so you have different colors to choose from. There's magenta, the turquoise, it's almost like a pearl, a purple, a gold, and I don't know, like a crimson, like a red. So I'd probably say this one was my favorite purchase. It was $4 and it's a pack of raw glitter shakers. Really convenient actually, because I don't know if you've ever worked with glitter, but it is really messy, especially when you have to use like a little spoon or a scoop. This one you can shake it directly on it. So as you can see, the 12 different colors are actually really dope. I bought this pack in particular because it came with a black shaker, and I love black glitter. As I mentioned in a previous video, I have done the raw glitter look and it looks so dope. So as I mentioned before, I did buy a pack of storage containers. They're really small, but they're perfect size for the little glitters and whatnot. So this one also costed me $4. Do I think it was worth the $4? Honestly, probably not, but nonetheless, it's actually really cute and it is sturdy. If you have any raw glitters, any kind of like little things that could get lost, I'd probably say this is the perfect set to get. So going back to the basics, a little manicure set and a cuticle clipper. For the most part, you can find these at any drugstore or any dollar store. So this cuticle clipper actually cost $3. Don't know why. It's actually a really good cuticle clipper, but I don't think it was worth $3. These little manicure sets definitely do come in clutch. It came with 2 different size nail clippers, a pair of scissors, and a pair of tweezers. So I also found these soak off tips, came in a pack of 10 for each finger, and I was really surprised that Dollarama even had these. I bought mine originally from AliExpress. Took really long, but they actually do work, so I'm happy I was able to find one locally. So as you can see, they're actually a really nice hot pink, and at the back of the box it shows you exactly how to use it. It's fairly simple. What I usually do is cut down the nail, file it a little bit, put some nail polish remover on a little cotton pad, and then open up the clip and put it directly in there. Then you would put it on all 10 fingers and just wait. Even though I don't need any more nail polishes, I had to buy these. I think they were so pretty. So all three of them are from Sally Hansen. The light pink is called Hardcore Party, the grayish one is called Cemented, and that dark pink is called Mighty Mango. Interesting name because I've never seen a pink mango, but gorgeous color when it goes on. Over the past few years, I've purchased tons and tons of Sally products, especially their nail polishes, and honestly, they never disappoint. Their color range is amazing, and their products are so good. Each nail polish only cost me $2, which is an amazing steal. So this is what they look like when they're completely dry with 2 coats, and I absolutely love it. So I did find this nail brush set similar to the one that I bought at Dollar Tree, and this one was also $1.25. The nail brush definitely comes in handy right after you buff or file your nails and you gotta get rid of the dust. I love it. So for the most part, this one from Dollarama and the one from Dollar Tree are very similar, other than the fact that I do find this one to be a little bit more on the coarse side. So there we have it, guys, my Dollarama haul. Overall, I'm really happy of the purchases I made. I'm super excited to try all of these. Honestly, I didn't expect Dollarama to have all this good stuff. And on top of it, they had a lot more nail things, but my room can only fit so many nail supplies. So what did you guys think? Is Dollarama or a dollar store in general something you would try? Let me know in the comments. Bye.